What's going on, guys? It's Hemi Jarvis here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to update your video games on your ps4 console. All right. Oh, sorry about that. So make sure you pay attention, watch this entire video. If it helped you at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Before I get into this video, I want to let y'all know that I do giveaways on my channel for ps4 PSN codes and Xbox Live Gold codes and stuff like that. I also give away V-Bucks codes and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, be sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and be a part of the giveaway when I get on YouTube. All right. So now let's talk about how to update your video games. So to do this on your PS4, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way over. As you can see, I'm on my home screen. You guys are just going to scroll all the way over here to your library. And then once you get to library, you're going to go ahead and hit the start button. Well, hit the X button on the library. And as you can see, once you hit the library, you see all of your games and all of your apps on this screen here. So what you're going to do now, guys, is you're simply going to go down to the gaming section. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me fix my screen so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, so as y'all can see, I'm on the games section, and it shows all of the games that I have on my PlayStation 4 console. I can't wait till GTA 6 come out. Definitely going to get that game. But as you can see, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 games downloaded on my PlayStation account. So to update these games, guys, is very simple. You're going to go to the games that you want to update, and you're just going to hit the options button. And as you can see, once you hit the option button, if you look on the right of my screen, there's this menu that pops up over here. And all you're going to do is go to check for update. And that's basically, you're just going to check for an update for that video game. It say the installer application is the latest version. So all my video games, I believe, are already updated. But this is how you would check for updates. And if there's an update that needs to be in your game, then just click on the update that need to be done, and your game should update. So, for example, let me go to Fortnite, and it say upload, download, save data, add to folder, check for update. You can also delete your games here as well. But let me go to update history. So as you can see, Fortnite had been updated around 3 times. By doing this method here. And another way you can update your games is just simply going to the game that you want to play, and sometimes it'll just update automatically. I think there's like a setting or something you can go to where it would update your games automatically. I forgot how to do it through the settings, but yeah, this is how you do it, guys. But let me show you guys what I give away here on my YouTube channel. Let me go grab it. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. One second, guys. All right, here they are. So let me show you guys what I give away here on my YouTube channel. All right, so if you guys can see here, I have these gift cards. If you're interested in getting one, when I do my giveaway, just show up to the giveaway here on YouTube. And how I do my giveaways is I go live here on YouTube, and I turn these cards around, and then I scratch these codes off live. So yeah, that's how I do those. So if you want to be a part of that, just make sure that you show up to the giveaways when I go live on my channel. But yeah, so that's how you update your video games. Let me show y'all one more time, just in case you guys got lost at all. You simply gonna, let me see if you can do it from the home screen. Hold on one second. Add to folder, check for, yeah, yeah. You can also, that's the other way you can do it too. If you want to just update your video games, you can also just from the home screen here, you can just go to the game you want to update and just click the options button on your controller. Let me show you what button that is. It's this button right here on your controller. You just click that and it'll bring up that same screen where you can update the video game. And once that screen comes up, guys, you're just going to go down to update, check for update. All right. All right. Do the same with Grand Theft Auto. I'm basically making sure all the games are already updated. Look like all of my games are already updated. So yeah, The Last of Us. Yeah. So that's exactly how you would do that, guys. I think it was a third way you can update your games. Let me see if I can do it from the settings, but that's how you do it. Let me see if I can do it from the settings. That works. I forget how to do it. Account management. It is a way you do it from the settings somehow, but you know. Yeah, I don't know the third way to do it, but hopefully this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and show up to my giveaways, man. Get you a Xbox gift card or a PlayStation PSN code or something. Maybe some V-Bucks or something like that. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would love to see you guys here next time. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you guys soon.